Okay, alright class, so kita continue. Alright, so we continue to the our next subtopic. And for the previous video we learned, or I show you the table of the Laplace, right? So now we want to use, okay, I will show, or I will explain, or I will give you example on how to use the table through example. Okay, but before that, they have another subtopic that you need to know, okay, which is called, or is about properties of the Laplace transform. Okay, the properties, right? So we have three properties that we need to know, okay, for this at this moment lah. So the first one is the properties is about linearity. Okay, linearity properties. The second one is about the, we call it as first shifting. Okay, first shifting of the Laplace transform. And the third one is the derivative. Okay, derivative of the Laplace transform lah. Okay, first shifting of the Laplace transform. Okay, and also derivative. So I will show, or I will explain one by one. So we start first with the linearity. So actually linearity is a properties that involve with plus or minus. Maksudnya plus or minus. Okay, for example, okay, this is about linearity. Okay, the first properties on the linearity is, let's say you have two function, okay, f1 plus f2. So the Laplace transform for f1 plus f2 is given by, okay, we can split it, or we will break it into two. Maksudnya, kalau tadi dia kata Laplace transform for f1 plus f2, so it can become two Laplace transform. Okay, Laplace transform for f1 plus Laplace transform for f2. So this is the linearity punya properties lah. Okay, either than plus, it also can be minus. So maksudnya kalau Laplace transform for f1 minus f2, it also be Laplace transform for f1 minus Laplace transform for f2. So it's the properties for linearity. Okay, other than that, we also have the multiplication, scalar multiplication. Let's say you have a Laplace transform CF1. Okay, so C here is the scalar, which is a constant. It can be number. Okay, so it become C Laplace transform for F1. So maksudnya kat sini you can take out the scalar. Okay, you put it in front of the Laplace because it doesn't affect. Okay, it doesn't affect per Laplace rule, so you can take out from the Laplace transform. So you can find this answer by using table, and then don't forget to multiply back with the scalar. Okay, so maybe tak clear lagi. Okay, tak apa, saya bagi example. Okay, for example, so this is about on the limit here. For example, the question asks you to determine the Laplace transform for or of ft equal to, okay, macam ni. For example, dia cakap find the Laplace transform for 3e8t minus 5 sin pi t. Okay, so example 1, determine the Laplace transform for 3e8t minus 5 sin pi t. So you can see clearly here we have two functions. The first one is this, okay, we denote as f1, and the second one is this, we denote as f2. Is it? Okay, so by using the linearity properties, we have 1 and 2 here. Okay, we split it first. Kita pecahkan dulu. So it become 3e8t minus Laplace transform 5 sin pi t. Okay, saya pecahkan daripada sini. From this, it become this. Okay, pecahkan dulu. Okay, f1 and f2. Okay, so now by using, or by applying the second properties, because we have scalar multiplication here, we have 3, we have 5. So what we do, just take out 3. Okay, keluarkan dulu 3 tu. Okay, keluarkan 3. And we left with Laplace transform for E8t. So you do the same thing for here. So take up 5. So it becomes Laplace transform for sin pi t. Okay. Alright, so what's the answer for this one? What's the answer for this one? You can just refer to your table. Okay, just refer to your table just now. Tadi and table tadi. So exponential and also sine. Okay, so exponential if we given 1 over s minus 8, and for sine is pi over s square plus y squared. So this is the answer, the final answer. Okay, so you apply the linearity, the first one which is plus and minus, and second one here is scalar multiplication. So this is the answer. Okay, right. Can we show you the next? Can I give you the next example? Same thing lah. Okay. Okay, example 2. Determine Laplace transform for 4 cos t minus e3t. Okay, clearly that we can see we have two functions. Okay, so you just split it first, become Laplace transform for 4 cos t minus Laplace transform for e3t. Okay, then apply the second properties. I mean the second for linearity we have to write. Okay, so you can see that we have a scalar in front here. So what we should do is we take out 4. So it will left with Laplace transform for cos t. And then how about this one? Okay, this one is German scalar, this is 1. So it's just Laplace transform for e3t. Okay, so now what's the Laplace transform for these two? You can refer to your table just now. Okay, tengok baik table tadi. Cos and exponential. Okay, so cos, the answer is 1 over something, and exponential is 1 over s minus a. So by refer to your table, so you should get the answer is 1 over s square plus, okay, what is your a here? What is your a? Your here is 1 lah, so dia tak ada. Bukan tak ada, dia masih is, it's a 1, okay, 1. So 1 over s square plus 1 minus, how about this one? 1 over s minus 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Right, clear? Okay, so these two example is on linearity. So now I will proceed with the second properties. Okay, what is your second properties just now? Okay, it's about first shifting. Okay, first shifting of the Laplace transform. Okay, right, so that one I will continue for the next video. Okay, alright, see you later.